All right, the weather alert continues. We've got snow, we've got sleet, and we've even got freezing rain happening in all different spots. This is our Gateway Tire and Service Center camera in Murfreesboro, where you're now seeing that sleet probably transitioning even to some freezing rain at this point. The farther south you are, that's where it's happening. It's currently 23 degrees too. Don't forget, we got some wind with this. A little bit of wind makes it feel like the single digits. So if the kids are outside, make sure you bundle them up and don't forget about those furry friends. Now, our Bart Durham injury log camera can't rule this one out as well. As you can see, the sleet is happening over Nashville. It was snowing really good earlier, but now we're starting to see that warm nose pushing in, and it continues to push in. We're going to see that transition to ice in Nashville pretty soon. I mean, freezing rain, I should say, that leads to the icy glaze on the roads. Now, visibility is still down to a mile up in Bowling Green, Portland, and Clarksville. Up that way is where the snow is still flying, maybe even some sleet now mixing in, but it's coming down with good intensity. And then down to the south now, the freezing rain coming down with good intensity because we've got 2-mile visibility around Linden, 3-mile visibility around Columbia. That is not good news. So again, this is the area of concern that is circled in black here. This is from the mesoscale discussion from the National Weather Service. And what we're seeing here is freezing rain threat. The ice accumulation could be up to 1/4 of an inch per hour, folks. That is a lot of ice, okay? It doesn't take much to make roads slick. 1/4 of an inch of ice starts to do things, and then 1/2 inch of ice, really significant impacts happen. So this is the area from Waynesboro to Columbia, Murfreesboro, Manchester, Winchester, over to Pulaski, Shelbyville, you're included, Lewisburg. I'm trying to effort to get this video on, already seeing the freezing rain transition. And folks, this is the thing that we're most concerned with as we head into the overnight, because we're going to see more and more of this. Now, notice this bright banding now up over in Montgomery County. That means, yes, that is where Sam is. That's where the sleet is going to start to transition for him in Clarksville. Seeing that transition up towards Macon County now, over into Putnam County as well. But down to the south, you see that cutoff line. So right around Spring Hill, I'd say Thompson Station, even Murfreesboro now, you may be transitioning to freezing rain. Shelbyville for sure, Lewisburg seeing it for sure, Lawrenceburg's been seeing it for a while, Pulaski as well. And this is why we've changed our ice map a little bit and put increased totals to the south, because we're going to have it for the longest period of time. And as you look at satellite and radar, there's a lot more activity to our south and to our west. So all of this is going to fill in. Yes, there's a little bit of a lull possibly, but don't let your guard down. Even if there is a little bit of a lull tonight, just a little bit of freezing drizzle still leads to slick roads, and more thump of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and even a cold rain will be coming in for tomorrow morning. Let's talk about Future Tracker here, because this will step you through it. As we go towards 6 p.m. tonight, notice that the pink line gets all the way up to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line, so that's freezing rain for pretty much everybody. Now, as we lift to 9 o'clock, it's really up into southern Kentucky and heavy and steady. Now, notice to the south and east, this is where we start to see some rain roll in here. This would be a cold rain coming in as that warm nose really lifts north to us. However, for a lot of folks, and look at Williamson County still staying in that pink color, so is Rutherford County, so is Nashville. That's not necessarily a good thing. And then as we get to lunchtime, the temperatures start to crash, and behind it, we get the sleet transition and freezing rain to just snow. And then whatever we see sticks around, because it gets very, very cold, dangerously cold behind this system. Now, in terms of the icing, this is what we're thinking now. Our latest thoughts, up to 1/2 inch, could be all the way up to Clarksville, Nashville, and Lebanon and Cookeville. Now, what I will say is Williamson County, Rutherford County, you are on that fine line of probably 1/2 inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch. Highest total is probably going to be concentrated right in here, south and west. So that is not good news. Anything above 1/2 inch of ice doesn't seem like much, right? But it makes travel nearly impossible. Extensive tree damage is likely, widespread power outages, and they could be long lasting. Now, what follows the system is the cold. And for more on that, let's go over to meteorologist Alex Libby.
Yeah, Danielle, that graphic behind you says widespread power outages. And then you mentioned it, we're going to get very cold behind this system. That is not a good combination when you have no power and the temperatures are below freezing. And I'm about to show you that it's not even going to be below freezing. It's going to be well below freezing. Right now, it's already feeling cold. 7-degree wind chill in Nashville, 2 below in Paducah, 14 below is the current wind chill in Kansas City. Now, the extreme cold alerts have already been issued for parts of the country. You see there's a hole over Middle Tennessee. This is where the National Weather Service in Nashville covers, and they have yet to issue one for Monday and Tuesday. Those are the days that I'm really talking about. I'm sure they will here pretty soon, because look at these numbers that we're going to see here on Future Tracker. Pause it first, 9 a.m. on Sunday. So at this time, this is when the heaviest precipitation is going to be falling. Some of it as just a cold rain down in Alabama, in parts of our southeastern counties here in Middle Tennessee, which Danielle showed you. Well, all the rest of it, either sleet or freezing rain. That will wrap up Sunday afternoon. And behind that, temperatures are going to plummet. So look at 6 p.m. Sunday. 4 is what it'll feel like in Nashville. The air temperature will be in the teens. As you head into Monday morning, the air temperatures will be in the single digits in teens. It'll feel like below 0. That's when we get those extreme cold warnings issued for feels like temperatures of less than 5 degrees below 0. Look at Paducah, feeling like 16 degrees below 0. It doesn't get better after Monday. Tuesday morning, feeling like 0 in Nashville, feeling like below 0 everywhere else. And yeah, if you have no power, that is not a good situation or setup. Now, if you're hoping for any melting, because if we do get a big icing on the trees, once we get above freezing, it will quickly melt off the trees, and that could help some, but I do not expect that. Look at this temperature forecast, barely getting to freezing on Tuesday, dangerously cold in the morning, 31 for a high Wednesday, and then another Arctic air outbreak will arrive, 22 for a high on Thursday, 15 for a high on Friday. Hopefully by then, folks have power back, but it depends how bad this setup really happens. It probably will be by the morning. When you wake up and you see the trees potentially shiny, you don't want to see that. Now, beyond the 7-day forecast, we're talking about January into early February. The Climate Prediction Center issues temperature outlooks, and you can see for us, dark, dark, dark blue shade there. That means we are expected to stay well below average even as we head into February. So prayers, fingers crossed that we don't see a lot of ice. It looks like we will, unfortunately, but hopefully folks don't lose power, because that could be a really bad situation for potentially weeks. Bob?